An absolutely incredible start to the day for Hbar, but unfortunately we're currently getting rejected after being up over 11%. And so now we're sitting at roughly a 5% gain, or just slightly underneath that point, rejecting the moving averages. Now this makes sense if we're trying to break out bullish, which is what this fundamental news actually brought us today. I saw over on Twitter, make sure you're checking out the Twitter as well. Just type in Hbar on the search tool, you'll see some news that came out today, and we also equally saw Saucer Swap going up a little bit as well. I'm guessing you all know about that by now. So if we're looking at Hbar, we are currently above the 200 EMA. That is my main focus. I'm always looking at this 200 moving average. Why? Because I know as long as the price action, when we're bullish, is hovering above the 200 EMA, it doesn't necessarily need to come down to it. That's why we got our other ones. If we ever do lose these two, then yeah, we need to focus on the 200 EMA. You also need to realize you don't necessarily need to test it. So when we created this bullish wick over here, which is a spinning top, you're setting out a level of support that is actually above the 200 EMA. So we're already feeling the strength of the 200 EMA. Remember, we don't need to come down exactly to it. You just know that it holds us in an uptrend. So if we go below it, we're not in an uptrend. If we're above it, we are in an uptrend. So if we ever come down exactly to it and hold its support, that's going to be your optimal entry point. However, if we're reversing before meeting it, that is totally fine if we can hold the low that we are reversing from. So I've created this level of support, or Hbar, has created this level of support. And going forward, as long as this maintains, we're looking for a bullish reversal. And so we've now come back down to that price point, slightly missing it, so we're not losing it. This is not downtrend continuation. Remember, if we are to continue in a downtrend, we need to lose the 200 EMA. Otherwise, we are bottoming out while in an uptrend. And so from this point, we're looking for any bullish structures, any indications over here for a breakout. So are there any patterns? Yes, there are. So any specific candlesticks as well. So this one over here, the bullish spinning top. We've also got some bullish hammers over here, but they didn't really work immediately. We're still in that bottoming out process. So we create that wick of the bullish hammer and we mark out the top of that bullish hammer. And we know that breaking beneath the wick of the bullish hammer, then it's not a signal that's going to work. It's a failed signal. Equally, for it to work, we need to break its high. So a body closing above its high. Boom, we got that right now on the daily time frame. So this is your daily time frame analysis. This is how you want to be analyzing the daily time frame. Guys, I can help you achieve your trading goals. I can help you 10x your learning curve. Just reach out to me, message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website. I've got exclusive discounts at the moment on my course and mentorship option. Enough of that. Let's continue with this. So what we need to see now, as we've broken through the high of that candle, of course, we've seen the breakthrough the moving averages, but before the daily candle closes, we need to prove to you guys, we need to prove to the market makers that the moving averages are not something that really break through like butter every single time. It does happen. But before the daily candle close, what it most of the time likes to do is show that it is there. So it's just going to at first bring us the rejection. Although we push through, we just need to prove to everyone that this is resistance. So we're going to close beneath it. And then of course, the next question is, can the support hold again? So we need to maintain the supports. We've reclaimed this 1 fib level after losing it. So that's the level of support I want to see held. It's pretty much very close to the 7 cent psychological level right there. So we'll just call it 7 cent. If we can now fall back to 7 cent and hold it as support, we can fall underneath the hammer body now because we've broken out. So that's totally fine. We were given the pump. We were waiting for this to break for the pump. We got given the pump. The pump is at resistance, rejecting the resistance. That's fine. Even if we're trying to break out bullish, that's fine. We just now need to maintain our wick low over here, which was again sitting at the price of 6.7 cent and then 7 cent as well. So what I'm going to do for you guys, I know there's a box here already, but I'm going to draw out a new box of support so you guys are aware. I'll make it orange so you can actually see it, and then we know that this is the level of support that now needs to hold after this rejection of resistance. And if we can hold this as support, we will eventually break this resistance, reclaiming the golden pocket as well, validating a move back to our range high 8.7.5 cents. Breaking this level of resistance will actually signify that we will break this top over here and then start our move up to 10 cents, 14 cents, and then eventually 20 and 22 cents, although that is a very long way away and this can all go wrong. That is, of course, our best case opportunity, our best case scenario. But remember, guys, if we lose this level of support, then we need to, of course, target these areas down over here, looking for a bounce from them to reclaim this level and then eventually go on that same process. So let's hope that this is our bottom now. I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. Maybe even share this video to your friends in your communities or whatnot, and over on Twitter. It does really help the channel grow. We're under 70 subscribers away from our end goal of 8k subscribers. We can hit that in the next two days or so. And during this period, I'm also doing a giveaway, so go on Twitter, follow me there, check out the requirements for that giveaway. 2 of you will be lucky winners. During this period, I've got discounts on my mentorship and course. Check out the Discord, check out the ebook and all the other things on the website as well. Use the links down below. Cheers, everyone.